Hi, my name is Erika Page, and I'm visiting here from Atlanta, where I am the team leader for the Living Luxury Atlanta team at Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Our office is located in Beaufort, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. I came here to spend the day with Rudy and his team to kind of get a behind-the-scenes look of his business and how he's been able to help so many people in the California area to buy and sell so many great homes, and also help so many agents as well to do a great job and change and impact their lives as well. So it's been a fantastic day. We spent about 3 hours with some other agents that might be interested in working with Rudy, and now I'm behind the scenes, literally sitting in offices, looking at documents, kind of peeking over the shoulder of some of the people here. I'm sure it's annoying, but it's really been awesome that Rudy has given us this hospitality and allowed me to take a look, and so I can now go back to Atlanta, implement some things so that I can help more people, impact more people, helping them buy and sell homes, and also helping other agents to achieve their goals. So thank you to Rudy and to the whole team.